Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Al International School, Jeddah Virtual Learning Classroom. With you, Miss Amal, English teacher, grade 4. Today's subject is spelling. The lesson is about related words. Instructions. Listen to the lesson's explanations. Open your book on RWN pages 364 and 379. Then you give your time to answer the exercises and then check your answers, and last, give a star to each correct answer. Standards and objectives. The standards for this lesson: Common Core Standards, Common Core Standards Language 2.D. Spell, grade appropriate words correctly, consulting references as needed. Objectives. By the end of the lesson, you're going to learn how to identify and pronounce related words, spell related words, define the meanings of related words, and use related words in sentences. Read these words: breath, breathe, breathless. What do these words have in common? They all have the word breath as the base. The endings on the other two words change the part of speech and meaning. So when we add the ending, the meaning will be changed and the part of speech will be changed. Like the word breathe, this is a noun, and we add the ending, it will become, when we add the E here, will become verb, and when we add the ending less, it will become adjective. These words, the breath, breathe, and breathless, are called related words. Okay. Breathe, breathless, and breath. Related words often have parts that are spelled the same but pronounced differently, like these two letters, EA and here EA. When it is a noun, I say breath. When it is a verb, I say breathe, E here. So different pronunciation. Okay. Okay, these are examples of the words. Noun, verb, adjective. You see, the word breath is a noun, and okay, breathe, breath and breathe and breathless. I took a long breath before speaking again. Breathe. I can hardly breathe with all this smoke. The workout left me breathless. Okay, look at the example. I will repeat the examples. Okay, breath, breathe, and breathless. I took a long breath before speaking again. I can hardly breathe with all this smoke. The workout left me breathless. All these words have the word breath in common, but look at the part of speech. They are different. The first word, breath, the part of speech of this word is a noun. When we add the ending, the part of speech changed to verb, and we added less here, and the part of speech became adjective. Okay, there are three different ways to form related words. The first, if the ending is a E, I drop the E and add word ending. Please, pleasant, pleasant, and no change, add word ending. Product, production. Change the base word, add word ending. Meter, metric. Okay, say the words after me. Please, pleasant, triple, triplet. Breath, breathe. Relate, relative. Image, imagine. Meter, metric. Look at the part of speech here. When we added the ending, the part speech would be different. Okay. Here, compose. When it compose is a verb and composition is a noun. Crumb, noun, and crumble is a verb. The first word is please. The meaning of the word please is used to ask. The first word is please. It means used to ask for something in a polite way. It is a verb, okay? To make one happy, to give enjoyment. Please pass the salt. Okay, I ask someone to do something. Command, give command. Pleasant is an adjective causing a feeling of happiness or pleasure. That was a very pleasant day. Next word, breath. It means the air that you take into your lungs and send out from your lungs when you breathe. I could hardly catch my breath. Now here is the same word as the previous one, but it has ending, and it means to move air into and out of your lungs, and the part of speech of this word is verb. It is good to breathe fresh air. Next, image. Image, it means a picture that is produced by a camera, artist, mirror, etc. The sentence, the painting is a perfect image. Imagine. In the previous word, it was a noun, image. It means picture. When I omitted the E and I added ending, it became another word. And it means to think or create something that is not real in your mind. Imagine is a verb. Image is a noun. So as I've just explained, that when we change the ending, that means we change the part of speech and we change the meaning. Okay? The sentence, I can imagine walking on the moon. Product is a noun. It means something that is made or grown to be sold or used. That product is made by hand. Next word, production. The process of creating goods and services. The product is the item. Product is the item itself. But production, it means the process of creating the product or goods and services. A lot of work went into the production of that item. Next, heal is a verb. Provide a cure for, make healthy again. My knee will heal soon. Heal means make healthy again. It is a verb, it's action. Next word is health. Health is a noun. It means the combination of a physical, mental, or emotional and social well-being. Example of the sentence, I take good care of my health. Next, the word is triple. Triple is a noun. It means 3 times as much or as many. 3 times as much or as many. Another word, as you heard before, it was double. There is something called double, triple. I hit a triple in the ninth inning. The next word is triplet. It means one of the three babies that are born at the same time to the same mother, usually plural. I am a triplet. If two babies, we call it twins. Three babies, we call it triplet. Relate, verb. It means to show or make a connection between. The example of the sentence, I can relate to what you are saying. Next word, relative. A member of your family. Relative is a noun. Relative is a noun, and it means a member of your family. The sentence, my uncle is my favorite relative. My uncle is my favorite relative. Meter. It means instrument used to measure. A meter is a little longer than a yard. Next, metric. Metric is an adjective of relating to or based on the metric system. Many countries use the metric system. Compose is a verb. It means to come together or to form or to make something. I can compose a song. I can compose a story. So you make a story. Composition is a noun. It means the way in which something is put together or arranged. Example, she studies the chemical composition of the soil. The next word is crumb. It is a noun, a very small piece of food. The bird ate the crumb. Next word, crumble. Crumble is a verb. It means to break something into small pieces. The sentence, the baby crumbles cookies into small bits. Now it's our time to do exercise. Please turn on your book and give your time to solve by yourself and then check your answer with me. Okay? Number 1. It would me greatly if you were nicer. So what might the answer? And more to our neighbors, more kind, more happiness to our neighbor. So what is the word means happiness? Causing enjoyment. So the word is pleasant. What is the related word for present? Is please. Okay. As you see, number 1 and 2, number 1 is please and number 2 is pleasant. Number 3 and 4. My sister says being a means she and her two look alike sisters. So she and her two look alike sisters. That means there are 3. So they are triplet. And the related word for triplet is triple. The company rushed to get the new INT'L in time for holiday sales. To get the new item. Item, another word for item is product. Means production. So look at here. I wrote 2 words, 2 related words, product and production. And then now here, don't on me with your bat. Don't breathe. Don't breathe. Don't breathe with your bad breath. Is a unit of length is the meter, and the system is metric. Here are the answers. Okay. Let's go to the next slide. Mhm. Okay, to the next slide now, number 9 and number 10. The want, will, and you will be the picture of the perfect. Number 9 and 10, we wrote them already. Now number 11 and 12. Let's answer number 11 and 12. Let's read together. Let me read the questions. Sorry, the items, the exercise. The want, will, and then you will be the picture of the of perfect, will, heal. Because after will, I need verb. The verb here, heal, is a verb. And another perfect, I need a noun. So I choose help in number 12, not number 11. And then a family gathering, there's always at least one. I'm talking about family. That means I'm talking about the member of the family, which are the words relate and relative. Relate and relative. Okay, now here. I need one, I need one. I need means I need one noun. So here, one member. Which word means a noun here? Which word that the part of speech is a noun? Is relate. Relate is a verb, relative is a noun. So I'll put relative on number 12, 13, and relative on number 14. As you see, I'll place it here and I'll write it relate here. Relate, relative. And then 15 and 16. Mozart had the ability to a lengthy music call in short time. Can say compose. Another word is composition. Compose, and here composition. Now, can you, what it would be like to be the exact of a famous person? Can you, I need the verb. So it has to be imagine and image. So the answer here is, can you imagine? Because I want the verb, imagine is the verb, and image is the noun, image. Okay, that's it. And then now go to the next page. Have to erase again here. Drawing. Okay, now here. Here I have to look at the, yes, I have to look at the words. Drop E at word ending. Drop E and add word ending. Like the word please. Like the word please and pleasant. Here I will write please, pleasant. Look at here. This is E, and here I didn't write the E. I just add the ending. Here I didn't type the E again because I have to omit. I have to delete. So I just added the ending directly. Like this, number 1. Can you find other words have the same rule? Other words that have the same rule, I mean apply the same rule as the word image, imagine, for example, compose, composition. I omitted the E. Image, imagine, and then the word relate, related. Okay, so let me write of them, all of them. Image, imagine. Do you see this is E here, but here no more E. So this related word can be applied with this rule. Okay, and then another word is relate. Relative. Compose, composition. Okay, compose and composition. Okay, now here, no change. I will go this time with this one. Okay, with this one. Okay, for example, no change, triple, triplet. And then breath, breathe, heal, health, crumb, crumble, product, production. Okay, now let me write here. Here, I will write in another color so you can understand. Maybe write with the red, same like what we did at the top. Here, for example, triple, look, the same word as it is. Triplet. I just add the ending. I didn't omit any letter from the base word. Triple, triplet. Another word here. Product, production. Product, production. And then the next word is heal, health. The spelling stay the same for the base word. You just add ending. Add word ending. And then the next word is crumb, crumble, crumble. Okay, and then the next word is production, crumble, and then what else? Okay, let me make sure from the list. Health, we wrote health, we wrote crumble, we wrote product, we wrote triple, and yes, breathe, 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 and breathe. See, look at all these words have the same password as base word as the second word, but we just add the ending. And then change the base word completely as in the word. Let me change the stamp to this color yellow, like the word metric and meter. Okay, let me write this color. Okay, that's it. Let me move to another page. Oh, I have to delete. Okay, thank you. Solve your homework at home by yourself and then check your answers. Thank you very much, girls. Bye bye.